Okay.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
You can just इसको ना थोड़ा squeeze कर लेते हैं. ठीक है? ठीक है? Is it sticking to the ear? गिरेगा
No,
तो
no,
गिरेगा?
no, I don't think so. No. Yeah, it's okay.
Hello. So we will start. And my only suggestion to you is that you just mention about us
Yeah,
as
sure.
much as you can. And we'll take the question wise. Sometimes I ask the question what to give the question. One moment, जान के रखो.
Okay.
Just look at the camera and answer.
Okay.
Yes, boys. I have the pleasure of welcoming Dr. Roshan Sahu here at the dance studio.
Thank you.
He has secured a rank of 22 in the AIIMS November postgraduate medical entrance examination. A wonderful result, great performance. We welcome you, Dr. Roshan Sahu, in the dance studio.
Thank
Congratulations once again. Just tell us, how are you feeling?
Well, I am quite satisfied. Like, I was well prepared for this exam, so it's a good rank to get, and so I'm quite happy with my performance here.
I would say, in fact, this is one of the wonderful ranks that you have got, and many would, definitely try to get that, but hardly anybody would reach that. Well, very important thing that everybody has in mind that, and my viewers and my listeners would also like to know from you, Dr. Roshan, how did you prepare for your exams?
Well, my first step was finding a good guide, and from my friends and from my seniors, I heard that some coaching institutes like DAMS are good at offering and guiding you through the preparation. So one of the first step while joining internship was I joined DAMS, and frankly, it was like quite a good decision. I joined the TND course, and it helped me making a preparation time framework so that I can keep up with my preparation in a timely manner, so I can finish before the exams.
So you mentioned that you joined your internship also while you joined the course as well with DAMS.
Yeah.
So I would understand that managing your time would have been quite difficult. So
Yeah, it is
how
quite.
did you manage your time?
Yeah, it is quite hectic to manage both internship and preparation at the same time. But I think if you're quite motivated and you are quite ready to accept that you will have a hard life for 1 year, but beyond that it will be like good times, I can say.
Definitely. In fact, you're going to have the best time of your life now. Just tell us a little more that how was your preparation like? Was it more selective or more extensive? Because I understand that time was not on your side.
Yeah.
So how did you
So
prepare?
I can call it more selective. Like I had already joined DAMS. I had the guidance of my seniors and the guidance of the faculties. So I knew what was to be read. And I knew that particular topics are preferred by all the exams like PG for AIIMS and PGI. So I was targeting AIIMS. So I was more selective the topics that are covered mostly in AIIMS only.
Well, that's very nice to know. And you have mentioned quite a few times that DAMS, you've joined DAMS and it has helped you.
Yeah.
Let me ask you directly here, how important was DAMS in your preparation?
Well, I can say DAMS was quite very important in my preparation. It helped me keeping me guided and keeping a time framework, and there are TNDs throughout the whole series, whole months, and they have particular schedule, first 3 and then 3 and then like that. So you can arrange your own time according to the TNDs, and you can finish up your entire preparation in the whole 7 or 8 months.
Well, talking of the TND that you're referring, that is the test and discussion course which
Yeah.
is offered by DAMS.
Yeah.
What do you say? I mean, how exactly it helped you? Did it help you in more focusing or in consolidating in your theory? How did it help you?
It helped me in consolidating. At the end, your own preparation is what matters, But while you join a course like TND, you know what is more important, and it's like brushing up your own theories and clearing your doubts. So that played a major role.
That's very nice to know, and let me remind my viewers here and all my listeners here that I'm talking to Dr. Roshan Sahu, ranked 22 in AIIMS, November 2016, postgraduate medical entrance exam. Every time I say that, I feel very happy. I'm talking to somebody who's really achieved in life. Well, I congratulate you once again, Dr. Roshan,
Thank
for
you.
that. And you also mentioned before this interview that DAMS exclusive club on the Facebook,
Yeah.
and the DAMS Cloud
Yeah.
has helped you.
Yeah.
Can you just put some light on that?
We cannot be at DAM center the whole day, but you can be on the Facebook the whole day. A persons like me.
Okay.
So like DAM faculty and other people are quite active. Like not just the faculty, other students are also quite active on Facebook. Like they help me clearing doubts. What are the latest subjects? What are the latest guidelines through that? And that's how it helps.
And many of people from whom I take the interview, they share with me that a lot of help that is coming from the exclusive club is removing the confusing questions that are there.
Yeah, clearing doubts. Yeah.
And they also tell me that it is very prompt.
Yeah, like all the faculties and even the students are quite active in helping each other out.
Okay.
That's one of the important part, I think.
That's very nice to know. And you have already mentioned me before the interview that you could not be a part of the DVT session that DAMS
Yeah.
conducts every time.
Like,
every
I was
year.
an intern, so there was a time constraint in what I could do.
I totally agree. I totally understand. But let me just share to my listeners and my viewers here that we have set a record for the DVT session this time, wherein we had around 125 centers logged on at the same time live, and that in itself is a record at the national level. We have definitely applied to the Limca Book of Records, and to which they have approved. Well, that's very nice talking to you. You have very honestly told me that DAMS evaluation system, like the grant test, subject-wise test, revision test, you could not take that, and
Could
also
not.
the CPT. So should I say that all your performance, all your great work has been totally because of the TND?
TND and my own preparation, I would add.
Yes, of course, yes.
But TND played a major part in it. Yeah, I can say that.
Great. So, which faculties in DAMS did influence you the most?
Well, it's unfair to name a few faculty and then leave out the rest. But like I said, all the faculties help. Like mostly, I like the classes of radio, surgery, ops and gynae, which play an important role in AIIMS PG exam. They are like quite heavy mark scoring.
That's very nice to know. And let me ask you here, which branch do you wish to opt, or have you made up your mind for a branch or something?
No, not actually.
Not
I was
yet,
more focusing on the rank till now.
Okay.
So I haven't opted in a branch, but
Not yet. Okay.
Not
We
yet.
sincerely wish that you opt a branch which you have really put up in your mind, and God willing, you will get the same. And before we wind up this conversation, any message to your juniors regarding DAMS?
message like don't be disheartened. Like anything is possible if you work hard. Like with proper guidance and with the proper framework of mind, you can achieve anything you want.
Do you recommend them to join DAMS?
Yeah, if it's available, you should join DAMS because it's even though it is possible to crack the exam on your own, a guiding hand like DAMS helps you in achieving a much better rank you could have achieved otherwise.
Those are really kind words, and let me share also here that Dr. Roshan Sahu is an Emzonian and also a Damzonian, so that
Thank you.
connect is always there. And with this, we wind up a conversation with Dr. Roshan Sahu, ranked 22 in AIIMS November 2016 postgraduate medical entrance examination. Thank you very much, Dr. Roshan. We wish you all the best in life.
Thank you.